StudyMode.com.
We are continuing the problems on the applications of trigonometry. Next question is, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Now, according to the informations given, we have to draw a rough sketch or a figure. See. This is the level ground. This is the level ground, and here is a 20-meter tall building. Here is a 20-meter tall building. This is a building which is of height 20 meters. Now, above the building, there is a transmission tower. This is the transmission tower. We are going to name as A, B, C. Now, AB is the building and BC is the transmission tower. Now, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top, angle of elevation of the bottom. This is the angle of elevation of the bottom. This is given to be 45 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top, it is given to be, the total angle here it is 60 degree. Now the figure is over. AB is the 20-meter high building and BC is the transmission tower. We have to find out the height of the tower. Let it be small h. We have to find the value of the h. And angle of elevation of the bottom is given to be 45 degree and the angle of elevation of the top is given to be 60 degree. Now we are assuming that the distance AD is equal to x. AD is equal to x. Now, in triangle ABD, in right triangle ABD, in right triangle ABD, AB is the opposite side of the angle 45 degree and AD is the adjacent side. AB is the opposite side and AD is the adjacent side of the angle 45 degree. Opposite side, adjacent side. We have to take tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to, tan 45 degree is equal to opposite side AB divided by adjacent side AD. The value of tan 45, remember the value of tan 45, it is 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. 1 is AB is equal to 20 meter and AD is not knowing. AD is not knowing. We are taken AD as x. That means 1 is equal to 20 divided by x. Cross multiplying, we are getting 1 into x. X is equal to 20. We got the value of x. Now, take the angle 60 degree. AC is the opposite side of the angle 60 degree and AD is the adjacent side. AC is the opposite side and AD is the adjacent side. Again, we have to take tan 60. We have to take tan 60 in right triangle ACD. In right triangle ACD, tan 60 is equal to, tan 60 is equal to opposite side is AC divided by adjacent side is AD. The value of tan 60 is, remember the value of tan 60, it is root 3. Root 3 is equal to, we can write the value of AC as h plus 20, small h plus 20. Small h plus 20 divided by AD as x. Now cross multiplying, root 3 x is equal to h plus 20. That means h plus 20 is equal to root 3 into 20. Root 3 into 20 because the value of x is equal to 20. Now, small h is equal to root 3 into 20. We can write it as 20 root 3. Taking plus 20 to the right side of the equation, it becomes minus 20. Now, h is equal to 20 can be taken outside as a common factor. 20 into root 3 minus 1. That means we had taken h as the height of the tower. Hence, we can conclude it as, that is, height of the tower is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter is the answer. If they are mentioning in the question, write the answer in terms of the decimal, we have to write the value of root 3. Sometimes they may given the value of root 3 as 1.73 or 1.732, etc. Now, if they are mentioning the value as, write the value as decimal, we have to give the value of root 3. In other case, write the value as itself. 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter is the height of the tower. Okay.